What's up guys, Fred here. Today we'll talk about why Instagram is about to crash artists and why it is good and bad at the same time. So recently the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, actually posted on Twitter saying that Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app. It's planned to focus on videos. That means that if you're an artist who is posting his pencil sketches, Photoshop edits and just still images, then most likely you're But don't worry, this could also be a great opportunity for you, depending on what you do. First of all, obviously this applies mainly to artists who create still images. If you create videos or animations, then it's actually going to be good for you. But if you're creating mainly still images, then you will need to do some changes to your Instagram account if you don't want to die. I mean, not literally die, but die in terms of, Instagram growth. By the way, his Twitter account is actually pretty cool to follow because you can always see all the newest updates to Instagram. Also, I have another question. It says that he's head of Instagram. Why not CEO of Instagram? Is it the same thing? Or is it because Instagram is not a separate company, but it's under Facebook, that's why it's head of Instagram and not CEO of Instagram? I don't know. And honestly, I've already noticed this trend with videos before he actually released this video. For example, if you go to my Instagram account and look at one of the artworks that did well, for example, this one actually got almost 3,000 likes. If we have a look at how many follows it got, actually only 2 follows, so that's not good at all. Even if like 11,000 people saw it from hashtags. But if we go to one of my recent videos, for example, where I explain how I create my artworks, for example, about this one, it got more than 3,000 likes, almost the same, but it got 424 follows. So basically I got 424 follows from this one video, and if we compare to the artwork where I got only 2 follows, then obviously we can see that video is the king. So this has been happening actually on Instagram for some time already. It's not a new thing. The head of Instagram just confirmed that it's going to happen even more. That's why also if you look at my profile, you will see that last 4 posts are all videos, basically where I explain how I create my artworks. And most likely I'm going to continue posting 90% of posts as videos instead of pictures. So now, what should you do, right? I mean, if you have been posting images, pictures and so on, and you still want to grow, how can you adapt? So first of all, there are 2 things you can do. First is you can just go to your room and cry, or go to your mama, I don't know. Or second is actually you can adapt. This is a general rule throughout your life. You always need to adapt to the new things that come. If you resist new things, then you're going to be left behind. One of the things you can do, you can screen record your process while you're creating the artwork. It could be, just like Photoshop edit, anything you do on your laptop, or it could be if you're drawing with the pencil, paper and so on, you can just, use a camera and record your process. This is what I did for some of my videos as well. They don't perform as good as when I show a tutorial by myself, speaking what I do, telling what I do and so on. But still, it's better than just a still image. So that's one thing you could do. Another thing you could do is you could actually try to get more into animations, or you can try to animate your artworks. And it doesn't matter whether, again, you're drawing your artworks in real world, like on a canvas or on paper, or you're doing it on your laptop or PC, you can still animate them. Obviously, you would have to learn some animation software for that, but I think it's going to be worth your time, especially if you still want to grow on Instagram and you actually want to turn art into your full-time profession. I know some of you may think it's not fair. I don't know, maybe it's not, but it is what it is, and you will either adapt or you will die. Again, not literally in terms of Instagram. So Instagram is going to look more like TikTok. Basically, short videos are going to be king. I mean, obviously Instagram already has Reels, which actually performs really, really well. Every time I used Reels, it went viral, so that's a great tool. Also, they have IGTV, but IGTV kinda sucks. I don't think anyone is using it seriously or is, creating content specifically for that. I mean, at least I have not seen anyone go viral using IGTV. Maybe they will do some changes to it, but I would say focus mainly on short videos. With that said, I hope this was useful, my dear friends. Make sure to like and subscribe, or
Photoshop Lord will find you and
destroy your Photoshop. Yeah, I know, it's not, I cannot do anything. He's so angry. He's always coming and destroying everyone's Photoshop. So just make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one of my videos. Love you. Bye bye.